Now let us understand how you can make use of ChatGPT or any sort of conversational LLM like Claude to do competitor research or competitor discovery. So here in the prompt box, after you create the account, let's say I have a use case wherein I wish to analyze the competitors of meditation app for busy professionals that relaxes users in 5 minutes. Okay, this is the application that I'm willing to build, and I wish to do direct and indirect competitor analysis. Now I'll send this to ChatGPT or any sort of AI model. It will think a bit, and it will give you the response. Okay, now how is it different? So there are different tools like Perplexity AI. Okay, now Perplexity AI is basically focused on fast citation-backed web search results, and it is considered as a strong competitor of Google search. Okay, but ChatGPT and Claude are conversational AI assistant. Yes, they also have the ability, like the recent versions of ChatGPT and Claude have ability to browse the web as well. So you can see over here, it is giving me citations over here. But Perplexity is considered better when it comes to browsing the web. Okay, but you can even use ChatGPT if you don't want to make use of Perplexity AI. So here you can see it has given us the competitor map for meditation app that promises to relax busy professionals in approx 5 minutes. So here you have Simple Habit. This is a app built for busy people. You have Headspace, you have Calm, Insight Timer, Breathwalk, Auras. All of these it has given. Indirect competitors also it has given. Okay, which is really good. And here it has given you things like YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music things. Okay, and here it has given you quick strategic takeaway and what matters versus what to watch. Okay, so you can see over here it has given you quite a lot of information, and it is also giving you in the end if you want, I can make a prioritize feature or UX checklist as to what to build first to beat something like Simple Habit, Headspace on a 5-minute relief thing. Okay, or you can even do pricing experiments over here. So it is asking you a follow-up question as to what it should do next over here. And you can see over here for everything it has given you the pricing model and the key features. Okay, now if you are not comfortable to directly jump to the list of features or do pricing experiments, you can ask it to compare the competitors in terms of user experience, target audience, and strength or weakness. So it is going to create a comparison, okay, and it is going to give it to you. So you can see over here, in case of direct competitors in terms of UX, target audience, strength, weakness in one line. Okay, basically one line is the summary. Okay, so it is giving you everything over here based on the data it has. Okay, now this data is coming in from the data. So this data or information is coming in from what ChatGPT has been trained on, and also it is doing a bit of web browsing over here. That is what has been introduced in the recent versions. You can even ask for opportunity gaps. Okay. Now, one thing I would like to highlight over here, you can see the sources tab that you can click on, and you can see what all it referred to. Okay, I don't see any sort of sources over here, but if you go to the previous response, you could take a look at sources. Okay, there are no sources over here. All right, no problem. So here now you can ask this follow-up. So you can see it has given you a decent response over here, like the gaps and opportunities and everything it has given. Okay, so yes, you can make use of this also for doing a decent amount of research on competitors, generating comparisons between the feature sets, pricing strategies, and how they grew. And you can get a decent response, and it can save you hours of work over here.